guys. So tonight I have some Taco Bell, and I got a Nacho Bel Grande, and I have a steak quesadilla, and my hydro flask with some water. And of course, you know me, hot, hot fire. Already starting, guys. I haven't even done anything. So I did want to talk about the request of burping the alphabet. Guys, I need a lot of work because I struggle with it. It's not as easy as you think. But I'm not giving up. I'm going to work on it more. Maybe get some tips. Talk to someone that knows how to. They can help me out. And I got a 12-pack of tacos. Maybe I'm going to have some of those as well. We'll see. See how it goes. I'm really a nachos person, though. Pizza and nachos, I can always eat, never get tired. I am missing the Taco Bell had this big ass fiesta steak nacho party thing. I don't know if you guys had that. That shit was bomb. And they only carried it for a little bit. And now it's gone. That sucks. So, I can't remember who, but I did get some requests um, about that people have fetishes. Anything that you request is gonna be like something that I don't do right now on YouTube. Extra that you're gonna request, you're gonna have to cash app. And depending on what it is, what you're requesting, I might do it, but there'll be donations will have to be given. Um, so you would go to my cash app, send the donation, and then in the notes, there's a spot where you can write a note and you just put your email after you send. Put your email in there, and then whatever you requested, I would send it to your email. So what was requested was someone has a belly fetish and they want to see my belly. And I did comment back to that person. Ever since I have kids, I've been a big girl, easy to lose weight. I'm comfortable with myself, but would I love to be skinny again? Of course. Okay, so we got interrupted. Sorry. Um, Back to what I was saying. Um, Use the Cash App. It's $ Queen of Hearts 77. Guys, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, turn on notifications, comment below. Um, Thank you. Much love to all my subscribers that I have. I think I'm at like 40 something. Pushing for more subscribers. Trying to hit that 1,000 subscribers so we can live stream through the mobile. So we ended up finding out that Governor Newsom shut down going back to school, so now we're on back on distance learning. I guess they're talking about possibly going back in January on campus, but we'll see what ends up happening. Like I once said before, I'm okay with distance learning for my children. Not so much my senior though, kind of sucks for the seniors. All right, let's go over to steak quesadilla. You guys ever had this? This shit's really good. I like to do two together. Throw some chili in there. Water's good for you. So I'm still waiting for comments of where all my subscribers are located. Somebody else they'd like to know what my burps sound like. So I was looking into doing a little tour. I'm in California, so how would I know where I should go for my tour? So people can smell my burps if I don't know where you all are located. Comment below. Tell me where you are from, where you stay. Where is home, people? Cali for me. Central Cali for me. Good night, guys.